Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the rate limit for Podio. Before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about what Podio is and why it's important. Podio is a cloud-based work management platform that helps teams of all sizes get organized and stay on top of their projects. It's a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as tracking tasks, managing projects, and collaborating with team members. One of the most important features of Podio is its rate limit. The rate limit is the number of requests that you can make to the Podio API per second. This is important because it helps to prevent abuse of the API and to ensure that everyone has a fair chance to use Podio. What is the Podio rate limit? The Podio rate limit is 1,000 requests per second. This means that you can make up to 1,000 requests to the Podio API in 1 second. How can I check my Podio rate limit? You can check your Podio rate limit by using the Podio API Explorer. The Podio API Explorer is a tool that allows you to test the Podio API and see how it works. To use the Podio API Explorer, you will need to create a Podio API key. Once you have created a Podio API key, you can use it to access the Podio API Explorer. Once you are in the Podio API Explorer, you can click on the Rate Limit tab. This tab will show you your current Podio rate limit. How can I avoid hitting the Podio rate limit? There are a few things that you can do to avoid hitting the Podio rate limit. Use caching. Caching is a technique that allows you to store data locally so that you don't have to make repeated requests to the Podio API. Use batching. Batching is a technique that allows you to make multiple requests to the Podio API at the same time. Use asynchronous requests. Asynchronous requests allow you to make requests to the Podio API without having to wait for the response to come back. Use a load balancer. A load balancer is a server that can distribute traffic across multiple Podio servers. What happens if I hit the Podio rate limit? If you hit the Podio rate limit, you will receive a 429 too many requests error. This error means that you have made too many requests to the Podio API in a short period of time. If you receive a 429 too many requests error, you should wait a few seconds before trying again. You can also try using one of the techniques that I mentioned above to avoid hitting the Podio rate limit. The Podio rate limit is an important feature that helps to prevent abuse of the Podio API and to ensure that everyone has a fair chance to use Podio. By following the tips in this video, you can avoid hitting the Podio rate limit and ensure that you have a smooth and successful experience using Podio. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be back next week with another video about Podio. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more Podio tips and tutorials. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.